Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Wilcox here. Happy Wednesday. I hope you're having a great beginning of your week. I'm really excited for the learning that we have to do today. I'm going to switch my screen and show you what we'll be doing. All right, here I am at our Tuesday page. I clicked on Wednesday page. I clicked on Wednesday from our link on our homepage, and here we are. So this is how you're going to check in with me this week. You can come on Zoom at 11 a.m. Or you have all these other ways to check in. I've been seeing lots of friends posting on the chat board. That's excellent. Keep that work up. Awesome. All right, here's the video that I'm making. You're going to be watching that, and then you're going to come listen to this story called The Curious Garden. And after you listen to that story, I would like for you to think, then write, and tell, if you were in the story instead of Liam, would you choose to take care of the garden? So that story has a special idea around taking care of gardens and finding things and maybe taking them on to be our own. And so I want to know if you would have made the same choices as Liam. And then I would like for you to explain why in 5 to 10 sentences, and then read what you wrote to a family member so that they can take part in our learning too. All right, scrolling down, we're working on pictographs today. I have another video for you, and then I have a quick game quiz here for you to do once you watch that video. So after you've watched that, click there, and then you'll be taken to that game quiz. All right, down here we're still working on our personal hygiene and our dental hygiene, our dental health. And so today our video is a quick song about flossing. And so flossing is a really important part of taking care of our teeth, and we learned a little bit about that yesterday in our video. We're going to learn a little bit more today. And so after you listen to that silly song, then I would like for you to practice flossing your teeth with an adult, and I want to see if your gums bleed when you floss, okay? So I know that's kind of gross, but our gums in our body, they do a really good job of communicating with us. So if when we're flossing or brushing, our gums are bleeding a little bit, we're getting a little bit of red blood, then that means that we need to do a little bit better job of taking care of our teeth and our gums. So if your gums do bleed, then that means that you need to floss more often, more regularly, and that will help for your gums to be more healthy, and then they will stop eventually. So if your gums are bleeding when you're flossing, that means we need to floss a little bit more regularly, and once we start that after a week or two, then our gums will be more healthy and they will not bleed or be sensitive or irritated anymore. All right, for art today, you are going to draw the parts of a plant. This video is kind of awesome. It takes us through all of those steps, and it also helps us label the parts of a plant. So I'm really excited to see what you guys come up with. All right, my friends, well, I hope you have a great Wednesday. I will see you on Zoom at 11 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy your time and have a great day. Bye.